My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases for the IRS. Maybe total I've worked 10,000 cases. I don't know. Our team is dedicated to tax resolution and, more importantly, giving you the truth about IRS tax resolution. I've been on all the major news stations. Like I said, I worked at IRS 10 years. Been doing this for 41 years. Just go to my website and find out about me. I don't like to pat myself on the back, but I want to talk to you today about what should you do if you have years of unfiled tax returns. You need to hear this from a former IRS agent. A lot of people can tell you this, but from a former IRS agent, it really should mean really a lot more, because we really know what the truth is and we know what IRS is going to do, and we know the background story. A lot of people practice at this. We actually were the IRS, and I was the IRS, so I can tell you what to do if you have years of unfiled tax returns. IRS really is not necessarily a forgiving agency, but I will tell you something. This is one area that IRS is a little forgiving. IRS only wants the last 6 years filed. There's a policy statement, P5 133, that only requires the last 6 years. You have to know that. That's it. If you haven't filed in 50 years, and 40 years, and 30 years, and 20 years, and 10 years, you only have to file the last 6 years. That's it. Now, in certain cases, very few, IRS may want more years. Sometimes they've done a substitute for return for earlier years, and they have other years on the books, but 99% of the time, they're only going to want really 6 years. So what do? Well, you get someone to prepare. We have people that do this. I mean, you can have us do representation for you. We're really good. Get whoever you want. You need to file the last 6 years, and then after you file those returns, at some point you're going to get a bill, probably 6 weeks later. Then you're going to get a CP14, then 6 weeks later a CP501, 6 weeks later a CP503, 6 weeks later a 504, and a 1058. At some point when you get that 504, you're going to make a knee-jerk reaction. Says, oh my God, IRS just sent me a notice of intent to levy and it's certified. Holy crap, what do I got to do? Oh my God, I got to write that down. I just went to my mailbox and I just got a 504. That's really big. You need to figure out an exit strategy. What is IRS going to do? They're going to simply take a financial statement, a 433F simple 2-page form, download it yourself, and not much is going to happen. They're either going to look at that statement and put you in currently non-collectible, keep you in there for a couple years, bring the case back out to the field. IRS will put you in a payment agreement, or IRS, you may be able to file an offer and compromise. If you go to the right people, they may be able to resolve the debt if your financial statement qualifies for that. So anyway, at the end of the day, don't get all frightened. File the last 6 years. You're not going to jail. You're not going to prison. 99.999%, you're not going to jail. You're not going to prison. IRS isn't going to take your house. You really don't have to worry that much. Just get your returns filed, because you're going to have to at some point. Plus, you want to go ahead and get your Social Security hours and do all that good stuff. So anyway, if you need me, call me. We do the work ourselves. When you call me, you speak directly to me. If you're going to call someone else, make sure they're former IRS agents, because they know the system better than anyone else. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a subscription. Thank you.